how to see who is using your hotspot on your iPhone. So for that you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. So very first step is that tap on the setting app on your iPhone. So once you are here, you have to go to your personal hotspot. Scroll down and tap on the personal hotspot here. So if you find that here, you can see that. If they are here, you can find the personal hotspot. So if it's not listed directly, it may be under its cellular data or your mobile data depending on your carrier and region. So in the personal hotspot section, you will see a list of devices that are currently connected. So here on your personal hotspot, you have to just go for that and you will see a list of available devices here. So you will see a list of available devices here on your personal hotspot. If you want to disconnect any devices, you can simply turn off your hotspot here or you can change your password. So unfortunately, iOS doesn't provide a specific device detail for each connected device, but you can get an idea of who is connected by the number of devices or their name if they are identifiable. So that's it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.